Progress.
Hi everyone, my name is Ahana Roy and I am a job developer at PIX. And today I'm going to talk about the Public Works Technician Training Program, which is presented by PIX, Progressive Intercultural Community Services Society. So you can find a lot about our program and a lot of the information at our freetrainings.ca website. You can also register for the program and on this website as well. And this is our program poster where most of the information we discussed today will be available there, including our contact information. So somebody with public works training, typically they get into one of these four fields of jobs, that is water and sewer maintenance, traffic control and flagger, road repair and sidewalk maintenance, and landscape maintenance. So through the academic training that you will receive from Public Works, you could be eligible to work in either of the fields. Usually our participants, they specialize in one of them and get into those fields. Once you have graduated with our Public Works training program, and after you're certified, you would be eligible to work in the NOC code 7522, which is Public Works Maintenance and Repair. And the salary for that starts as low as $20 an hour, and it can go as high as $33 an hour. The median salary is about $58,000 a year. And this is a really great opportunity because it's a very in-demand job in the job market. And especially because 29% of the job openings are due to the economic growth, and 71% is due to retiring workers. And how this academic training will really help you is that if you're looking for getting into trades, but you're not really sure which direction you want to get into, our program is going to really help you to get certified into one of these sectors in the field. So you can really choose which one you want to get into. Also, if you have previous experience in any of these fields, the academic training and certification is going to help you by getting into much higher level positions, which is the NOC code of 7302, which is the contractors, supervisors, and heavy equipment operator crews. Now, this is a high opportunity occupation. There is a huge demand for these kind of jobs. And especially if you look at the graph here, 88% of the job openings is due to retiring workers. And a lot of the people who are in these supervisory positions, they started from entry level, worked themselves up to get to those positions, and now they're retiring, for which there's such a huge demand for somebody to take those roles. So if you're really trying to fast forward your career, this training program is really going to help you to get there because you have the academic knowledge and the certification to really showcase that you do have that technician knowledge to problem solve those higher level things. And this is a really great field because in the next 10 years, there is a projection of just more growth and more demand in the industry, as you can see in this graph. And somebody in the supervisory position, they can start as low as $22 an hour, but it can go up high as much as $50 an hour, with a median salary of almost $73,000 a year, which is a really good deal. What you will get out of this program. First of all, this program is 100% government funded. So everything you get through this program is completely free of cost. So that's really good. It is a 4-month program, and our next cohort is starting on March 28th, and it will go up to July 15th. And the first 3 months of this program is academic training. And how this will work is that most of the program is primarily online, with some parts of the program being in person. So there are 16 weeks in the program. The first week is orientation, where you will be learning about public works terminology, about the job market, and about the essential skills related to public works, which is going to be live virtual. So it's not pre-recorded videos. There's going to be an instructor right there with you to help you in the process. This is also a cohort based program as well. So everybody, all the participants are going to start and end at the same time. So it is group based and the learning is great that way. After the first week, you will go into is the second week is going to be short-term certifications, which is a little bit hybrid. So the second week you're looking at is mostly in-person training. So we will send the participants to a training institution to get something certified, and some of it is again online certification. After which, the first 2 weeks, 9 weeks of there will be 9 weeks of virtual and in-person academic training, and 95% of it is going to be virtual online, and it is via Western Community College. And that's where you will be really learning the essential, the really depth of public works and the actual training aspect of it. And there'll be 3 to 5 days, which is going to be in person, which are the field trips and the site visits. After the academic training in Western Community College, you'll come back to us at PICS, where we will help you with 1 week of job support. And what you will learn from that is resume writing, cover letter writing, interview skills, and networking skills. After which you will be getting 4 weeks of work experience of practicum training. So if you don't have previous work experience, or you have had work experience in different fields, this work experience is really going to help you to get the first job or the first reference to get more jobs. We also help with getting connected to local employers who are also hiring as well. So yeah, that's how the public works is training program is typically structured. Now, the different kinds of benefits you will get out of this program is that there is full work gear included, so which is completely free of cost. You will get hard hats, safety vests, and steel-toed boots. You will also get 10 different certifications, that is WMIS, PPE, Occupational First Aid Level 1, Transportation Endorsement, Traffic Control, Confined Space, Fall Protection, and Ladder Safety, Basic Electrical Safety, Excavation and Shoring, and Underground Utilities Locator. Not only that, you could also be eligible to get up to $300 of weekly allowance, which is for qualified applicants, and that depends on your EI situation. Once you have completed the program, you will be getting a certificate of Public Works Technician Training Completed certificate, which will enable you to get the provincial designation of Applied Science Technologists and Technicians of BC, which is the ASTD-BC as a Public Works Technicians. And this can really open a lot of doors in those, not only just for entry-level jobs, but for higher levels supervisory positions if you have the previous experience. So in our program, there are people who, there are participants who comes from all walks of life. There are high school graduates or recent college graduates who are really looking to get certified or training, very job-related training to get into those jobs. There are also people who have experience in different fields. Maybe they have PhD in academic field, and they're now looking for an in-demand job just to really get employed out there. So there are people there as well. And also we have had people who have been engineers and technicians in their home countries, and now they want to get into a field that is closely related to that, especially civil engineering. They also take this program and benefit very much from that. So if you do like this program and you want to know how you can be eligible for it, Let me tell you how. One, you need to be a resident of British Columbia. You need to either have a permanent residency, a Canadian citizenship, or a refugee with protected person status. You need to either be unemployed or be employed less than 20 hours a week. You need to be either having an active EI, so either you should be receiving EI at the moment, or if you had EI in the last 5 years, you could also be qualified. If you have never had EI before, maybe you have paid EI premiums through your previous work experiences or your businesses, and if you have earned more than $2,000 of insurable earnings and you've paid those EI premiums, then you could also be eligible. So if you have earned more than $2,000 of insurable earnings in the last 10 years, and that's an added accumulation of $2,000, 5 out of 10 years, and those 5 years don't have to be consecutive. Other than the EI eligibility, you should also be referred by a work BC center with an action plan. And so if you have a work BC case manager, you could also be referred by them to the program. And if you don't have a work BC case manager, that's also all right. So you can directly contact us and we can connect you with the work BC case manager to get enrolled into this and accepted and enrolled into this program. If you have any questions at all, you can definitely contact either me, my name is Ahana Roy, or my colleague Yuhan Yu, and this is her email ID, and this is our program phone number for any questions at all. You can definitely check out our website, freetrainings.ca. If you click onto this website and you click on Public Works and you register and fill in the form, we will have your contact information and we can reach out to you as well to verify your eligibility for the program. Also, just one last thing, the program is running from March 28th to July 15th. That is Monday to Friday from 8:30 a.m. till 4 p.m. So that's full-time hours.